Calls are critical, but answering every call isn't realistic. That's where Real Leads Finder Pro's AI phone agent comes in. Think of it as a personal receptionist that picks up incoming calls when you can't, gathers essential caller details, books appointments automatically, transfers calls to your team when needed. It speaks naturally, responds intelligently, and never takes a day off, so no lead slips through the cracks. Now imagine an assistant that keeps conversations moving forward, even when you're busy. Our AI sales agent works around the clock to respond to inquiries instantly, nurture leads automatically, guide prospects toward booking or buying. It's like having a tireless sales rep who never forgets to follow up. Welcome to Real Leads Finder Pro, the all-in-one system designed to bring your marketing, sales, and customer communication under one roof. Want to try it out for yourself? Visit our site where you can talk to a role-play AI agent and see how it works.